Hello everyone, myself Priyasha from Department of Pharmacognosy at LJ Institute of Pharmacy. Today we are going to discuss herbal cosmetic. This is content of our presentation. What is cosmetic? As FDA, cosmetic is defined as intended to be applied to the human body for cleansing purpose, beautifying or promoting attractiveness or altering the appearance without affecting the body structures or functions. According to DNC Act 1940, any article intended to be rubbed, poured, sprinkled or sprayed on or applied to the any part of the human body for cleansing purpose, beautifying the purpose, promoting the attractiveness or altering the appearance without affecting the body structures or functions. Now next we will discuss herbal cosmetic. What is herbal cosmetic? How it can be differ from cosmetic? Herbal cosmetics are the preparation in which the herbal drugs can be used for the cosmetic preparations. Herbal drugs can be used in a two purpose, either in a raw form or in a process form. Raw form means either in a powder form or fresh herb can be used. Process form means herbs can be processed through the different extraction process. Now recently the use of botanicals in cosmetics is very increased because they having the mild in action and low toxicity. In cosmetic, both natural as well as phyto ingredients are used. Natural products means the use of raw material and phyto constituents means the active constituent can be isolated from the herbal drug and that can be used for the preparation of herbal cosmetics. Now advantages of herbal cosmetics, as they having the less side effect or less harmful effect because they can be obtained from natural source. Second one, it can be easily incorporated into skin as well as hairs. Third one, they do not provoke any allergic reaction or any negative side effects. Fourth one, within small quantity it can be useful compared to the synthetic products. It is easily available and affordable in nature. Next one, disadvantages of herbal drug. The first one, herbal drug have a slower the effect because the long term therapy is needed while you are choosing the herbal cosmetics compared to the allopathic drug. The manufacturing process is time consuming as well as complicated. No pharmacopoeia defines any ingredients of herbal drug which can be used in a formulation. It is difficult to hide their color as well as their odor in a formulation. Now there are different types of plant derived or derivatives which can be used in a formulation. First of all, derivative, that is dry powder form. As already we have discussed. Second one, fresh herb. Third one, acellular products like resins, mucilage, gum. The best example of mucilage or gum, that is tragacanth and acacia, which is used as a binding agent or suspending agent. Next one, galenical preparation, that is extraction, decoction. Next one, tinctures. Tinctures means hydroalcoholic preparation in which the alcohol percentage is more compared to the other formulations. And last one, that is the active phytoconstituent, means the constituent, pure constituent is isolated from the plant material. Now classification of herbal cosmetic. There are two types of class. One is on the basis of dosage form. Second one, parts of the body to be applied for. That means for skin purpose, for hair purpose or for the other purposes. First one, that is the classification on the basis of dosage form. First dosage form, that is the emulsion. The example of emulsion is cold cream, vanishing cream. Second one, powder, talcum powder, tooth powder, oils, hair oil, massage oil, cakes, the compact makeup cakes, mucilage, hand lotion, paste, toothpaste, suspension, cosmetic stockings, soaps, toilet soaps or shampoo soaps. Now on the basis of applied to the human parts or body parts. First, for skincare purposes, skin cleanser, soothing agent, antiseptic, moisturizer, anti-acne. These are the examples of skincare products. Second one, hair care products, hair oil, hair shampoo, then conditioners, hair colorants, depilatories, that means hair removal cream. These are the examples of hair products. And third one, that is others. Others, the oral care products like toothpaste, then tooth powder, mouthwash or mouth fresheners, which can be used, nail purposes, nail polish, then lipsticks, then other products can become in other parts. Next one, that is herbal cosmetic for skincare. The herbal approach of proper skincare is based on three principles. First is for cleansing purpose, second one for nourishing purpose, third one for moisturizing effect. Whatever may be the type of the skin, there are three major steps which act as an external care of skin for it to protect it from the constant effect of environment, stress and cell degradation decay. Now there are different purposes for the herbal drugs on a skincare products. First purpose, that is the exfoliation, that means the removal of dead skin. Second one, that is the antioxidant property, that is cell rejuvenation. Third one, improves the capillary blood flow. Fourth one, penetrating the nutrients as well as moisture through the skin. And last one, that is it enhances the new cell growth. Now there are different types of herbal formulations like cold cream, in which the almond oil, then cocoa butter, different types of materials or herbals can be used. Next one, vanishing cream, rose oil, which can be used. Next one, cleansing cream, for cleansing purpose lemon can be used. Next one, face lotion. There are different herbals which can be applied for the face lotion preparation, as the face lotion is used for the which purpose, on basis of that the herbal drug can be used. Next one, skincare example. First, for skin cleanser, the best example of skin cleanser is cucumber, citrus and aloe. Second one, moisturizer, the best example of moisturizer is aloe, then almond oil, then rose oil. Third one, antiseptic, as the best remedy of antiseptic is turmeric, neem, thyme, calendula. Soothing agent, sesame oil, almond oil. Sunscreen, the calendula having the highest sunscreen effect. Then anti-aging purpose, licorice, papaya, caffeine can be used as an anti-aging. Apricot. Anti-acne, neem, thyme can be used as an anti-acne, prevent the pimples on the skin. Next one, herbal cosmetic for hair care purposes. There are different types of hair care products available in a market. First is hair oil. Hair oil can be used for promoting the hair growth or for providing nutrition to the hair. Second one, hair lotion. Hair lotion having the stimulating effect of hair. Third one, hair colorants. Hair colorants are externally applied to the hair, which gives color to the grey hair, so it imparts the appearance of the hair. Next one, hair shampoo. Hair shampoo mainly used for the cleansing purpose of the hair as well as scalp. Next one, herbal hair conditioner. Conditioner gives smooth as well as shiny appearance to the hair, that means gives conditioning effect to the hair. Now hair care examples. First, hair cleanser. The best example of cleanser, that is soap nut known as Arita. Second one, that is shikakai. Now conditioner, amla, henna, tea that can be used as a conditioner. Then nourishers or hair tonic purposes, that is Brahmi, Bringraj, olive oil, coconut oil. Next one, hair colorant, henna, anti-dandruff, neem, then soap nut, lemon, thyme that can be used as an anti-dandruff. And last one category, hair growth promoter, that means the Amla, Bringraj, then Brahmi can be used as a hair growth promoter. Methi. Next one, other cosmetics. That means the herbal drugs are used in a preparation of other cosmetic products like lipsticks, nail products. That means nail polish or nail remover. For an example, saffron, anthocyanins, carotenoids can be used in preparation of other cosmetic products. And another other cosmetic products, that is perfumes. The perfumes are mainly obtained from the flower water or flower oil. Flower oil or flower water can be used as a perfumes. For an example, rose oil, jasmine oil, then almond oil, sandalwood oil. Sandalwood oil, that is the example of oil which can be extracted from the heartwood of the sandal. Right? That can be used for the skin purposes as well as for a perfumes. Now, oral care products. The oral care products mainly used for the antimicrobial purpose, then antibacterial as well as anti-inflammatory or analgesic purposes. There are different types of oral care products are available. First, that is tooth powder, toothpaste, mouthwash or mouth fresheners. There are different types of ingredients which can be used for the oral care products like clove, neem, myrrh, then nutmeg, mentha, calendula. Now we will study the herbal drugs which can be used in a preparation of herbal cosmetic. The first one is aretha. Aretha is known as soap nut. It is mainly obtained from the nuts or pods of the Sapindus trifolius. The family is Sapindaceae. Mainly it contains saponin glycosides which having the cleansing effect as well as anti-dandruff and hair growth promoter. Next one, second example is aloe vera. Aloe vera is obtained from the mucilage or leaves of as a aloe vera or Aloe parbandensis. The family is Liliaceae. The main constituent is anthraquinone, which is responsible for its activity. It can be used for the skin purpose as well as for hair purpose. In skin purpose, it is used as a wound healing agents as well as crack healing agents, moisturizer, then delay the visible sign of aging, while hair purpose, conditioner as well as moisturizer. Now next one is amla. Amla is a rich source of vitamin C, so it having the antioxidant activity. It is a dried fruit or fresh fruit obtained from the Umbellica officinalis. Family is Euphorbiaceae, rich in tannins as well as vitamin C. The main use is hair growth promoter as well as conditioning effect. Next one, turmeric. Turmeric is a remedy of antiseptic. So the main source is it is obtained from dried rhizome of Curcuma longa. Family Gingiveraceae. The main chemical constituent is curcumin, which is act as an antiseptic, antimicrobial as well as anti-inflammatory purposes. It helps to light the stretch marks and it is used as a coloring agent. Next one, henna. It consists of fresh or dried leaves of Lawsomnia intermis. Family is Lythraceae. The main chemical constituent is water soluble content, that is lawson. Lawson is responsible for coloring agents. So it can be used in a preparation of hair dye or prevent or give color to the grey hair. Next one, clove. Clove is mainly used as a flower bud. Clove is used as an analgesic in oral care products. So it is obtained as a flower bud from Eugenia caryophyllus. Family is Myrtaceae. The main chemical constituent is eugenol. Eugenol is only responsible for oral care purposes. So while you are preparing herbal cosmetics for oral care, at the time it is compulsory to extract eugenol in a proper form, or you have to use pure eugenol in a formulation. The best use is oral care products as a dentifrice, toothpaste, tooth powder, and it having the analgesic as well as anti-inflammatory activity. Next one, there are different challenges of herbal drug. First challenge is herbal ingredients need special care or precaution during the complete phase of extraction. Second one, there is lack of scientific validation as well as standardization parameter, lack of quality and regulatory aspects. The major is stability issue. Efficacy and safety needs to be checked in each and every batch. Lack of pharmacokinetic studies of bioactive constituent. None of report we will found in a literature. So these are the major challenges while you are using herbal drugs in a cosmetic formulations. Thank you so much for watching my presentation.